Acne vulgaris is a common skin condition that all of us know. It affects millions of people worldwide and can drastically damage their physical appearance, self-esteem, and quality of life. We are here trying to create a novel and effective way to cure the acne from macrobes. The material used in the study are onion and garlic. Onion and garlic are two widely used vegetables, and here we are focusing on onion and garlic peels. And this is a pie chart showing top 5 countries in the terms of its production. We had 3 major objectives in the study, and the objectives of the study were standardization of an extraction method, yield optimization and phenolic qualification, formulation of a peel-off mask, and characterization of the so-called soap-on peel-off mask. And for that, we had extraction in 2 different methods, like a conventional cold extraction method and a non-conventional microwave-assisted extraction method, and the extracts were subject to further analysis. And in the extract, we done estimation of phenolics, total polyphenol content, total flavonoid content, and total tannin content was estimated. Antioxidant study, majorly DPPH assay, was done with ascorbic acid as a standard, and a thin layer chromatographic technique was done on a particular extract. Antibacterial assay, which is the major part of the study, was done on 2 different stages, Staphylococcus epidermidis and Propionibacter magnus. The diffusion technique and MIC was done on both strains. And major part of the study was the formulation of the peel-off mask, which we thought to be effective against acne. These are the ingredients shown and the category to which they belong to. And the formulation was done in 3 phases. The first phase was PVA with the base at 80 degrees Celsius, which was cooled down with addition of HPMC, which belonged to the phase 1, and it was continuously stirred for 20 minutes, and into which glycerin is to peg in 3:1 ratio with oil in tea was added, which contributed to the phase 2. And the final phase in which the ethanol with the active ingredient, that's the extract with vitamin E, vitamin C, activated charcoal, and carbopol was added, which contributed to the phase 3, and which was continuously stirred for 3 hours and kept aside for 24 hours and stirred again for 2 to 3 hours. This is the phases of the formulation of the peel-off mask. And the formulation of peel-off mask was categorized into 6 different formulations, depending on the quantity of the active ingredient added, and it was labeled to P0 to P5. And characterization of the peel-off mask, which was the final objective done, it was like primary characterization and secondary characterization was done at the time intervals of day 1, day 7, and day 21. Coming to the results and discussion, the extraction standardization and yield analysis. Among extraction method, all extraction yielded higher yield, and coming to the extract, microwave assisted extraction of onion peel 3 minutes 70%, which was codenamed as MAE 307, had higher yield. Coming to the estimation of phenolics, total polyphenol content was seen in the MAE 307, and also total flavonoid content was seen the same extract, and routing was the standard use. And coming to the total tannin content, higher total tannin content was seen in MAE of ethanolic extract of garlic tree, 3 minutes 50% ethanol. Coming to the antioxidant study, antioxidant was also an important assay when it came to the peel-off formulation. It was found that IC50 of the standard and IC50 of the extract had comparatively similar values, showing that the onion peel extract had higher antioxidant activity, and thin layer chromatography was done to showcase that the quercetin has the standard and similar RF values and bands indicating the presence of quercetin in the extract. And the major study, that is antibacterial against Staphylococcus epidermidis. In the well diffusion method, we could see that garlic and onion peel extract had an activity against the bacteria, and the highest one was obtained for the MAE 307, and the MIC was found to be 8 mg per ml. And coming to the other strain, that was Propionibacter magnus, which is the main bacteria causing the acne, and it was found that MIC was 12.5 mg per ml, and also MAE 307 had a higher activity and sort of inhibition towards this bacterial strain. Coming to the formulation, we had like characterization of primary characterization and secondary characterization. Coming to the primary characterization, that was organoleptic characters. The color was found to be blackish in color, and its present odor due to the addition of lavender oil, and texture was found to be slimy, and consistency was smooth and light. Coming to the physical characterization, it was having a gel-like consistency and rise and form a thin rubbery layer on the skin, and it was found to be able to remove dead cells, unclog pores, and remove blackheads and impurities. Ingredients like